Hi guys, Jenny with On Fire Fit, and today is a fashion fit moment. I am going to show you these crazy heels and that you actually can walk in them. These are from my husband as a gift quite a few years ago. The brand is Chinese Laundry. So I don't have a ton of space, but I'm just showing you that even though these shoes look like they defy the physics of being able to walk in, you actually can walk in them. So yeah, they're actually not that hard to walk in. Here's another angle of me walking in these shoes. I admit that I am not the most graceful in these shoes, but I am not stumbling or tripping, so you can actually walk in a heel that doesn't have much of a heel. It's a great thing to celebrate life, even in heelless high heels. I'd love it if you subscribe or follow and give me a thumbs up. I hope you're living on fire.